Welcome back, YouTube. All right, so this is a weekend update. All right, I'm doing some maintenance. All right, so a while ago I re-greased the bearings on the head, and following that I couldn't engage the steering lock. Curious. Now, triple checked everything, you know, gave things a little knockabout with some nuts loose, etc. So nothing changed. All right, so I left it. It wasn't that important. It's parked at work. It's perfectly safe, you know, most of the time. And I got a disc lock, you know, and so on, right? But yeah, so I wasn't overly concerned, but I knew how to get it done. So today, pulled it off. Got the tank up. I'll just give you a picture of that. Now, on thorough inspection, I noticed the top yoke is about 1 millimeter or 2 down from where it should be. Now, loosely attached, and I mean marginally loose, it's on, right? Turn, lock engages. Right? The moment I tighten it down properly, it doesn't engage, right? So yeah, it's just not quite right. So I've ordered some new bits and pieces, Fowler's parts, some new bearings. We're going to change the bearings. We're going to put a new crush washer on, which I think is probably the issue, right? So, you know, it's well compressed, and I think a new washer isn't quite flat. That's my suspicion, all right? Because everything else is, you know, the bearings are good and so on, right? So I don't see any other issues. Right, so we'll see how we go with that. Right, okay, so the month ahead, what have I got planned? I'm upping my game in terms of content creation, right? So, and you might notice I've bought new tech, right? So yeah, the full aim, right? I'm using this now. We're connected into my Osmo Action 3, but interestingly, here comes another, all right? So the plan is to get some more cinematic footage when I'm out and about. So this weekend, Amazon deal, Black Friday, 40% off. This one actually came all the way from Italy. It was Amazon EU. Curiously, you can't get the Action 3 now on Amazon without a month or two delay. I'm thinking that probably that's it with the 4 being out. I think that's probably the stock's running out. So, you know, all the way from Italy, 40% discount as well. So smashing price, couldn't go wrong. Looking forward to where am I going to stick my DJI stickers. Stick some in the comments. Back of the pan, inside the panniers of the Harley. I'll not put them on the outside of the Harley, but I'm happy to put one on the pan somewhere, right? So, you know, that's the thought process. We're planning, well, I'm certainly planning an overnighter in Birmingham, work related. I'm going to take the opportunity to go to my parents in Wales. So I'm going to do a nice little sort of, I'm probably going to go the boring A14 M6 Birmingham, overnight in the city centre. Then we'll probably take a loop out via Kidderminster and probably go across towards Mid Wales a little bit before dropping down towards Blaenavon. All right, so yeah, I'll try and get some decent footage. Hopefully the weather's going to be good, right? Fingers crossed, right? Because right now weather's hit and miss here in the UK. So today especially, thunderstorms, heavy rain, bright sunshine, you know, it's a real mixed bag today. So, well, that's it for this update, and yeah, catch you next time. Like, comment, subscribe. All right, cheers, YouTube.